Hey everyone, it's Kim, and this is the only trade I have currently open. It's a long on the dollar Swiss back on this yellow line in here. And this high just broke, and I'm looking for price to come up into this first target level here at 92.80. It got as high as 70, so there's about 10 more pips that price has to move in order to get up here. We'll see if it actually gets there. I'll be back with any updates. All right, price is starting to move now out of this high area that it's been in for the last several hours and heading up towards my target here. It's about 4 pips off the target at 92.80, so we'll see if it hits. I'm going to go ahead and move this protective stop up now to lock in. Let's lock in 15 pips here. All right, so in case this turns around suddenly, at least I'll come out with 15 pips on this trade. All right, everyone, I'm back here and price is now getting very close to hitting my limit. So let's watch and see if it actually does it while we're on this video. It got as high as 79.2, so not quite to 79.2, not quite to 80. And we'll just see if price is able to push up. If it's not, I might just pull it. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and move this protective stop up now to lock in 20 pips, just in case. All right, so locked in with 20, and price is just 3 pips away, 2.5 pips now away from hitting the target. We'll see if it actually touches into 80. The nice thing about being in a long and having a target is you don't have to worry about the spread when you go to close the position because you're selling the position and the charts are bid based. So it's really easy. Much simpler than if you are short the market, you have to account for the spread and price will have to come through your target in order for the spread to account for the profit taking. So it looks like price is just hanging out here around 77. Okay, we're getting a new candle. Maybe this one will push up. And again, I'm just locked with 20 to protect myself in case this thing turns. And it's getting closer. Got as high as 79.4. So just 0.6 pips away from the target. Some traders will take it off right now because they just don't want to sit through the anxiety of having price pull back, because it will pull back. And I might be one of those traders. We'll see. The price is just kind of hanging out here around 78. This is probably the hardest part of trading, is getting close to a target, not hitting the target, and then watching price just kind of waffle. And it's starting to waffle. And that's normal price action, right? This is what happens. And this is where all the decision making comes in with carrying a live trade. Much different than demo. There's consequences to your decisions. So if I decide to hold and this thing moves against me, at worst case, I'll come out with 20 pips. Or I could jump out with, say, 26 right now. Or I try to hang in here and see if I can maximize it up to 30 pips. That's the profit at 92.80. I'll be back with an update. All right, price is getting closer again. It still hasn't broken the high that it put in at 79.4. We'll see if it does it now. See if price just pops up a little bit and hits the limit. All right, I am still here and price just hit 79.7, so it's made a little bit higher and it's almost there. We'll see if I get lucky this time. Holding on to this for quite a while, 79.8. All right, really close, 79.9. Come on, punch through it. There we go. All right, so this trade you just saw me manage this trade from +2 on a protective stop up to +20, and then actually hit the target for +30 today. And we take these trades every day in the New York and the London session using a very simple price action strategy method. You'll see there's no indicators on my chart. There's no patterns to look at. There's nothing to study at night or hold on to overnight. And trading is really straightforward if you are willing to accept a simple method. All right. You can always reach me below at the links below this video, and thank you for listening.